There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Charger GT in Octane Red. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, functional hood scoop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, performance suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, sport mode, heated second row seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number P4072.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.